always follow these rules. Okay? Turn off your audio at the moment when you join the session. Very important. Students rename themselves as soon as they join the session. They write name, their admission number, then class, and section. Okay. This is very helpful. आपको फिर waiting room में रखना पड़ता है. You put first of all your name, then admission number, then class, then section. Okay. Maintain the decorum and discipline of the virtual classes. It is very, very important. Okay, this is very important. You always maintain the decorum and discipline of the virtual classes. Please write your name, admission number, class, and section. Every time we repeat this sentence, please. Okay. So today first we revise which we done till today. Okay. From where we start the chapter, and because now the Friday and Saturday and Sunday you have the time when you can revise all the things again. We give the assignment today or most probably tomorrow. Okay. So we'll start the definition first. We start the definition first topic when we start, that is chain rule. From where we start, that is chain rule, product rule, division rule. On the first step, on the first class, we revise chain rule, product rule, division rule. Then we come on implicit form. Then we start the second topic is implicit form. Today we only revise what we did do till now. क्या हमने जब तक किया है implicit form. And the next topic is we start then use of log. And the next topic is parametric form. And the next topic is double derivative. So only one topic is left, that is continuity, and exercise 5.1. Okay, we have 5 topics, and the inverse differentiation is also remaining here. Okay, inverse differentiation हमने नहीं किया है. So we start the chain rule, then implicit form, then use of log, then parametric form, and then double derivative. Start double derivative. Today we revise all the thing again. We revise chain rule, we revise implicit form, we revise use of log, parametric form, double derivative. Then no new concept start today. Okay, we only revise all the things what we did today till now. Okay, so first we start with the chain rule, but how we revise now? Because if you not cooperate with me, if you not participate in the revision, then the revision is waste. Okay, so you first take your copy and pen, and then you participate with me. The chain rule is for 12th A class. Okay, we start the chain rule. Chain rule we revise. The rest of the class is also see what we do. Okay, rest of the class is also see what we do. Chain rule. When we start the chain rule, so we divide the chain rule into 2 parts. We divide the chain rule. One is PTA rule and the second is TA rule. तो प्लीज जिन बच्चों को अभी तक नहीं सीखा है वो दोबारा से देखना शुरू करें द डिफरेंशिएशन रूल. ओके, देन व्हाट वी स्टार्ट इन टीए रूल. देखो, इफ यू हैव y इक्वल टू sin of x square, we revise again the whole chapter we revise today. ठीक है, y equal to sin x square. What we do in sin x square? The one is term, the second is angle. When we differentiate this, then we using TA rule. The TA rule means first we differentiate term, then their angle. Cos x square into 2x. Okay. आज हम क्या करेंगे? Now we start the competition in 12th A, 12th B, boys versus girls. ठीक है, तो first we start the competition with the science section. So science section reply to me the chain rule. First the boys reply, then girls are reply. ठीक है, बाकी classes भी देखेंगी. Then we come on the second topic, that is implicit form, that is again C section and D section. Then E and F G S section. ठीक है, तो first we start with the 12th A and 12th B. Only the 2 class reply to me. One is 12th A and 12th B. देखो, revision is waste if you not cooperate with me. If not participate, even the revision is a waste. Okay. So this is the TA rule. First we revise, then we start the competition. So y equal to sin x square. The simple the answer is we differentiate first term, then their angle. For example, you have y equal to log sin x. If you have log sin x, then what we do? dy by dx is log sin x is 1 upon sin x into cos x. First we differentiate log. Log x is 1 upon x. So we differentiate 1 upon sin x into cos x. तो जो आज विनर होगा उसके लिए असेंबली में हम क्लैपिंग करवाएंगे, ठीक है? Log sin x is 1 upon sin x into cos x. First we differentiate log. The term is log. Log is 1 upon sin x because we differentiate log. Log is a term. So the differentiation of log is 1 upon x. So therefore 1 upon sin x into cos x. For example, you have product rule, also division rule. ठीक है, cos square x, but please और देखो अभी एक PTA rule and division rule. देखो this is cos square x cos cube x. We have also product rule, also chain rule. Okay, then what we do here, that is dy by dx is, देखो this is a product rule and here you have a PTA rule. Your q मान लो suppose करो, this is TA rule. The term is cos. देखो when we differentiate product rule, तो the meaning of product rule, differentiate first and we put second adjective. Then we differentiate second and put first adjectives. Okay, terms and their angle. Okay, what is the term here? Term is cos. So first we differentiate cos, that is term. So term is minus sine x square. Then their angle. Angle is x cube. So that is 3x square. Now this term is adjective. Cos cube x5 is adjective plus cos x cube. Every Friday we revise all the things which we done in Monday to Thursday. Okay, so cos cube x. Now we differentiate this one. We are using PTA rule, power, term, angle. So what is the power? Power is 3. That means cos x5 raised to power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then term cos minus sin x5. Then angle 5x4. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer 5x4. This is the answer. देखो again you see here term then their angle. Okay, so now we're given two questions for each class. ठीक है, मैं every time I give 2 questions and every time we give 2 questions. After 2 questions we change the topic. So first we start with the chain rule. Okay, हमने अब तक क्या सीखा है वो आज हम दोबारा रिवाइज कर रहे हैं. So first topic is chain rule. First topic is chain rule. So first come for 12th A. 12th A and 12th B. Participate here. ठीक है, बॉयज वर्सेस गर्ल्स. तो देखते हैं आज कौन जीतता है, द बॉयज वर्सेस गर्ल्स. आफ्टर द 2 क्वेश्चन वी टेक द डिसीजन. ओके, so first question is goes the 1 2 3 4 questions, sorry. So first question is only for boys. Please only boys reply, and only 12th A and 12th B class, only boys from 12th A and 12th B, only 12th A and 12th B they reply. ठीक है, that means y equals to, y is equals to, this is the first question, second question, third question and fourth question. ठीक है, y equals to under root of sine under root of x into y equals to x. You start please. You start. But the rest of class is also do. ठीक है, rest of class में से किसी एक बच्चे का नाम ले सकता हूँ तो please rest of class is also start. Y equal to x into sine root x. This is a question for boys. Okay, 12 A B boys. Only boys reply to me. Only boys. ठीक है, 12th A B please. If you write your name, then that's very good. Okay, one students का reply आ गया है. Yes, good, good, good. Please start. Today we revise all the things which you did till now. Okay, the one answer is come from Harshit. That is 1, 2, only 2 and 3. Boys हार जाएंगे. Okay, Priyanshu Gupta 5 minutes, only 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes you reply to me. 12th AD class 3 Om Bhojwani. Yes, good beta. X sin root x. मैं भी करूंगा इन क्वेश्चंस को, तो प्लीज रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास जितनी बची क्लासेस हैं वो भी करेंगी, बट ओनली 12th A and B boys are participate. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 boys. Now stop. So 7 points goes to boys, 12A, 12A and 12B. Okay, so this is x root x. What do we do here? This is a product rule. X root x is as it is. अब reply करने से कोई फायदा नहीं है. Now stop. Plus x as it is. Now this one देखो, this is sine x raised to power half raised to power half. We are using here PTA rule. The power is the original term is sine. Then this is the power. This is the term. This is the angle. The power, term, angle. Power, term, angle. So first we differentiate power. Now what is the power? Power is half. So half is half sine x raised to power half raised to power minus half. Then cos x half. Then x half is half x half minus 1. Again देखो this x is 1, this x is 1, this term is as it is, plus this x is as it is, then the standard derivative of this is the power, this is the term, this is the angle. First we differentiate power, that is power half sine x half raised to power half minus 1. Then term is what? Sine. The derivative of sine is cos x half. Then angle is what? X half derivative is half x half minus 1. Now that ठीक है, तो प्लीज स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन गर्ल्स. ओके, y इक्वल sin रूट x. प्लीज बाकी क्लासेस को भी करना है. हम हर टॉपिक के 2 क्वेश्चन लेंगे. नाउ द चेन रूल के 2 क्वेश्चन हो गए. देन वी चेंज द टॉपिक. नाउ द टर्न फॉर गर्ल्स. प्लीज टाइम स्टार्ट. 3 मिनट्स आई गिवन ओनली. बाकी क्लासेस को भी करना है. देखो रिवीजन इज ओनली प्रॉफिटेबल व्हेन यू कॉम्पीट विद मी. अगर आप करोगे then that's waste. Okay, this is the chain rule. Chain rule is the main rule for chain rule is a main concept on chain rule. If you have you. Yes, start girls. No reply. Start girls. You can also reply in your groups, class groups में भी दे सकते हो if you have not phone number. 12th B girls, 12th A girls, where are you? ठीक है, 12th A B. This is cos cube x5 sin root x. Cos cube x5 sin root x. That is very simple. This is chain rule. Okay, the girls ने reply करना शुरू कर दिया. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. बॉयज नहीं भेजेंगे. ओके, ओनली गर्ल्स. द टाइम लिमिट 3 minutes only 3 minutes. Well, baby girls. Okay, only 5 girls. So boys are the winner. Okay, no reply from the girls side. So only 5 entries are there. So in first topic 12 boys, sorry, girls के सिर्फ 2 ही पॉइंट हैं. Okay, the topic is chain rule. Boys are winner. Topic is chain rule. ठीक है, boys and girls. तो इसमें boys के मार्क्स हैं 7, girls are 5. This is 12th A plus B. So boys are winner. 12th A, B are in the winner. Now we take the topic. Next topic is implicit form. But again, see what we do here. This is cos cube. बेटा सब हर classes के लिए है. Chain rule is the main topic. Chain rule पूरे chapter में chain rule ही है. ठीक है, cos cube x5. So we are using here product rule. That is dy by dx. Okay. मैं इनके लिए स्पेशल असेंबली रखवाऊंगा. और बॉयज भी क्लैप इन असेंबली में क्लैप करेंगे इनके लिए हम. ठीक है, y equal to cos q x5. This is power, term, angle. What is the power? 3. That is 3 cos x5. 3 cos x5 raised to power 3 minus 1. That is 2 into minus sin x5 into 5x4 plus cos cube x5 is as it is. Then sin root x is cos root x into the differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, so we again start the chain rule. What we do in chain, second is term angle. So product rule and division rule, it is from 11th class. So we are using here product rule. The derivative of x is 1. This is as it is plus half x. So इसको हम power term angle लगाते हैं. The power is half. So first we differentiate half, half minus 1, then term sin cos, then angle root x. Similarly here, okay. Then we start the second topic. हमने second topic क्या किया था? Second topic we start implicit function. In second topic we are do implicit function. जो हमने सेकंड टॉपिक सीखा था दैट इज इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. आज मैं टॉप जितना भी हमने अब तक सीखा है वो हम रिवाइज करेंगे. नाउ द टर्न इज 12C बॉयज वर्सेस गर्ल्स. ठीक है, वी स्टार्ट द 12C क्लास. इन 12C क्लास बॉयज वर्सेस गर्ल्स. तो फर्स्ट वी रिवाइज व्हाट इज द इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन, देन वी गिव द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन क्या होता था? दिस इज वन इक्वेशन इज गिवन, वन इक्वेशन इज गिवन and he says find dy by dx. पहले हमको एक इक्वेशन देता था, they give equation and he says find dy by dx. What we do? The differentiation of x square is 2x. Then the differentiation of y square, the new rule is only for implicit function. If we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. Only is this concept. We are using only one concept. If we differentiate y square, if we differentiate y, तो साथ में dy by dx लिखते हैं. This is the only difference. तो implicit function is nothing, it is again product rule, chain rule, division rule. सिर्फ एक नई बात implicit में क्या आई थी कि if we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. 2x, the derivative of x is 1. The 3, the derivative of y is dy by dx. The differentiation of 7 is 0. ठीक है, now we take dy by dx is common. तो dy by dx common लेंगे तो 2y plus 3 is equals to minus 2x plus 2. Then we divide it and we get the answer. So in this implicit function, we have two type of question. One is type 1 and type 2. What is in type 1? Type 1, they are given something and they want to prove something. ठीक है, वो type 1 में हमसे कुछ देता था, then he says prove this. ठीक है, he says prove this. ऐसे क्वेश्चन देता था, this is y x minus 1, x 1 minus y. तो हम क्या करते थे? स्टार्ट तो वैसे ही करते थे, e to the power x plus y is the same derivative is e to the power x plus y, but we using here TA rule. Term is e, the derivative of e is e, the differentiation of ex is same as ex. If you want to differentiate ex square, so ex square is same differentiation ex square, but the derivative of x square is 2x. Term is e, angle is the power. If we differentiate angle, then we differentiate x square. So similarly here, e to the power x plus y had a differentiation e to the power x plus y. Then we differentiate its angle. What is the angle? X plus y. The derivative of x is 1. The derivative of y is dy by dx. Then we use the product rule in equals to x into y. We are using the product rule x into y. X is as it is, 1, y as it is, then x as it is, y is dy by dx. Okay. So implicit function में क्या होता था? The type in type 1, they given something and they want to prove something. ठीक है, उसके बाद वो हमसे चाहता था कि हम कुछ prove कर दें. So first we differentiate similarly same as product rule as division rule. Then when we get the answer, जो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा, dy by dx we take common, ex plus y minus x equals to y, ex plus y. देखो now we have dy by dx is y minus ex plus y upon ex plus y minus x. तो हमारा आंसर मैच नहीं करता था. Then we again goes to question. हम दोबारा से क्वेश्चन में वापस जाते थे, देखो हमारा आंसर मैच नहीं कर रहा है. We take again help of the question. दोबारा से क्वेश्चन की हेल्प लेते थे. What is ex plus y? Ex plus y is xy. We put here xy, y minus xy upon xy minus x. Take y common, 1 minus x. Take x common, y minus 1. और देखो यही आंसर है. This is the answer. यही आंसर होता था. ठीक है, तो this is implicit. अब तक हमने 5 टॉपिक्स किए हैं. We revise all the 5 topics. The first topic is chain rule. The second topic is implicit. Third topic is use of law. So first we revise implicit question. Now again we give 2 question of implicit. One is for boys and one for girls. Okay. So for boys, please start. For boys, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay. This is the question for boys. Okay. Please give the fastest answer. Only 3 minutes you have. Dy square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Yes, start. This is a question for boys. Okay, start. This is a question for boys. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Only boys give the answer. 12th A, B में बॉयज आर द विनर, ठीक है। 12 सी डी में, 12 सी में गर्ल्स विनर होनी चाहिए। मुझे अभी भी याद है, तो 1 पीटी पीरियड गोज टू 12 डी क्लास एंड 1 इज फॉर 12 सी, ठीक है। हमने क्लास वाइज कंपटीशन कराया था, 1 टाइम 12 डी इज विनर, सेकंड टाइम 12 सी इज विनर। Yes, this is one boy give the answer. Group of 12C, they give the answer. One boy, 8 entry हुई है से, 1 entry only. 3 minutes for you. 24 पे फिनिश कर दूंगा, 22 हो रहे हैं अभी, 11:22 है। Only 1 entry, 12C boys, where are you? This is very simple question. Ax square plus 2hxy. In xy we have a product rule. Dipesh, yes, second entry. 12C class. 12C class, boys हारना है आपको. Only to entry. Yes, 3, 1 again. एक बच्चे ने और दिए हैं. देखो, let's start phase 3 and I'm very happy. 48 students ने मुझे टेस्ट सबमिट किया है. डे आफ्टर और मंडे को मार्क्स दे दूंगा. 48 स्टूडेंट्स ने सबमिट किया है मुझे आंसर्स, एंड मोर देन 100 स्टूडेंट्स सबमिट देयर रजिस्टर. ओके, 1 2 3 4 5, yes, 5 entry from boys side. Only 1 minute are left. Chaitanya of 12C. Yes, one cheating is there. 12B के ग्रुप ने आंसर भेजा है किसी और को, उसी ने मुझे आंसर भेज दिया दोबारा, वो सेम. ओके, 12C boys are very smart. अब उसने डिलीट कर दिया. यस, गुड बेटा. देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 entry from boys side and time limit is finished. 8 entry from boys side of 12C class. Okay, now the girls 8 रिया है ना, ऐश्वर्या, बहुत सारी गर्ल्स को मैं जानता भी हूँ. तो नाउ 12C गर्ल्स मोर देन 8 आनी चाहिए. ओके, द सेकंड क्वेश्चन पर ये स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. The ax square is 2xa plus 2h. In xy we are using product rule. The derivative of x is 1, then y as it is, then x as it is. The derivative of y is dy by dx. Now by square is 2by dy by dx. आज मैं आपको 15 क्वेश्चन होमवर्क दूंगा. इन एवरी क्लास ग्रुप दैट 15 क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे. तो ऑन मंडे वी डिस्कस ऑल द 15 क्वेश्चन. वी गिव 15 क्वेश्चन. ऑल द 15 क्वेश्चन आर आउट ऑफ एनसीईआरटी. ठीक है, ऑल द टॉपिक, ईच टॉपिक हैविंग 2 क्वेश्चन. ठीक है, मैं आज आपको दे दूंगा ग्रुप पे. नाउ 2g, 2g द डेरिवेटिव x इज 1. आपको उनके सॉल्यूशन मुझे नहीं भेजने हैं, मैं मंडे को उनको डिस्कस करूंगा. If you have any doubt, तो मंडे को डिस्कस हो जाएगा. This is 2fy. Now we take dy by dx is common. If we take dy by dx is common, then 2hx 2by plus 2f. Now take all the number that side, 2xa plus 2hy plus 2g, and this is come upon, and we get the answer. Okay. Now the second question goes for girls. Okay. देखो, 12 A B की गर्ल्स हार गई हैं. 12 C की गर्ल्स को जीतना होगा, है ना. 12C girls, please fast. Okay, this is the question for 12C girls. X square by xy square plus y cube plus 81 equal to 0. Okay, this is the question for girls. Start the 3 minutes only. The time is 25 till 28. You have time. You start. रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास इज आल्सो डू. 12th ए बी क्लास आपको भी करने हैं क्वेश्चन से. रजिस्टर्स सबमिट होने हैं. मोर देन 100 स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी मुझे रजिस्टर सबमिट कर चुके हैं. 48 स्टूडेंट्स गिव द फेज सीरीज अटेम्प्ट किए उन्होंने. क्लैपिंग फॉर दीस 48 स्टूडेंट. मैं उनके नाम लिस्ट आपको दूंगा ग्रुप पे, एंड एवरी ग्रुप विल गिव द लिस्ट ऑफ दैट 48 स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, it is a turn for girls. 12C girls. Please, Ansh girl or 12C, do not on your video. Okay, 12C class. Fast, only 3 minutes. Yes, one. Ria, most probably Ria gave the answer. Yes, Ria, one entry, only one entry. रिया यस गुड आपने आंसर बिल्कुल ठीक किया है गुड रिया घूमने के अलावा पढ़ती भी है ये ओके आयुषी यस टू एंट्री देखो कोई वॉइस भी नहीं भेजेगा बिकॉज तो काउंट हो जाएगा ओनली गर्ल्स रिप्लाई यस थ्री एंट्रीज फोर गुड फोर आयुषी 12C रिया 12C ऐश्वर्या 12C हर क्लास के बॉयज ही जीतेंगे क्या आज वेयर इज 12C गर्ल्स 1 minute left only. Who girls give answer? Riya, Ayushi, Kushi, and Aishwarya. Move on. What happened? Okay, then time limit is finished now. So only 4 girls of 12C replied to me. Only 4 girls. Okay, you are also time till I finish this question. Okay, आपके पास तब तक time है. You can send me. This is second question. X cube, x square, y, xy square. So देखो, this is 3x square plus 2x into y plus x square y dy by dx. Then xy square, again product rule, 1 into y square plus x. Y square is 2y dy by dx. Then y cube is 3y square dy by dx. And the differentiation of 81 is 0. Then we get the values of dy by dx very easy now from here. Okay, we get the values of dy by dx. That is very easy. Okay, the next topic I start that is use of log. कितने टॉपिक्स हम अब तक कर चुके हैं what we do in log देखो log में क्या करते थे तो ठीक है हमारे पास दो टाइप के क्वेश्चन थे दैट y इक्वल टू x टू द पावर x ठीक है दिस इज अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन x टू द पावर x वी आर टेकिंग log both the side we are applying log both the side because you have power in the form of x so x log x okay so first reason to apply log is when the power in the form of x then we apply the log so we start from chain rule then we come on implicit then we come on use of log and the fourth topic is parametric so first this topic is for 12D class okay this topic is for 12D class log y is 1 by y dy by dx and x log x is 1 into log x plus x into log x is 1 by x. This x is cancelled, we got y is that side. Second type question we have when we have two numbers x to the power x into sin x to the power x. Okay, if we have a number in the form of product, then we have a rule log m into n. Log m into n is log m plus log n. Log m into n is log m plus log n. So this is dy by log y. We are applying log both sides. That is x log x plus x log sin x. ठीक है now this is log y is 1 by y dy by dx equals to 1 into log x plus x into 1 by x plus 1 into log sin x plus log sin x is 1 by sin x into cos x ठीक है log sin x का होगा 1 by sin x into cos x again see we are applying log both the side because this is into yes ma'am okay we apply this log y that is log y x log x plus x log sin x we take the step And the third type of log question that is very 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 important, that questions having plus sign in between them. ये third type के questions थे log के अंदर. They are very important question because in this question we cannot apply log and without log ये हो भी नहीं सकते हैं. तो हम क्या करते थे? We take y equals to u plus b. Then we differentiate dy by dx, that is du by dx plus dv by dx. ओके इसको अलग अलग कर लेते थे. वन वी स्टार्ट यू, इसको यू लेते थे, यू को डिफरेंट सेपरेटली डिफरेंशिएट करते थे. वी पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ यू हियर, du by dx, we take u that side, that is 1 plus log x. So this is the type third question. We find du by dx, we find dv by dx and then we add it. उसका इसको ऐड करते थे, है ना. This is the question of log. ये log के क्वेश्चंस होते थे. This is the question of log. ये log के क्वेश्चंस हुआ करते थे. Okay, then we start the third type of question. Now this is a question for boys. This is a question for boys. Okay, please take your copy, 12D class. Take your copy and start one question. I will give one question, but this is also question for rest of the class. ये सारी classes के लिए question है. Only it is not for 12D. All the classes do this. This is a revision. Okay, you participate here, then you have benefit. Otherwise, this is useless. X to the power 1 by x plus x to the power 10x. This is a question for boys. Start. You have 3 minutes for it. आपके पास 3 minutes हैं. Your time limit is start. And only boys are reply. Only boys reply to me. देखो 12D की गर्ल्स जीतनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी हमारे लिए. 12D गर्ल्स. अभी बॉयज के लिए है. दिस इज टर्न फॉर बॉयज. x to the power 1 by x plus x to the power 10x. You have 3 minutes. Only 12D boys reply to me. Only 12D. Well, D boys. Abhiraj, 12D. Gautam Jindal. Till now, no answer from 20 side. Till 38, you have a limit, time limit. 11:36 हो रहे हैं. Till 11:38, you have a limit. But rest of class भी करेंगी. Only for it is not only for 12D class. X to the power 1 by x plus x to the power 10x. We take u and v. First function is u, then the second is v. The derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Good. 12D class से अब तक एक भी आंसर नहीं आया है. Group केजरीवाल और 12B they give an answer, but it's done for 12D, not for 12B. आंसर्स मेरे पास आ रहे हैं, but 12C से आ रहे हैं. But 12D, yes, निपुण, first student, they give the answer of 12D class. Yes, good बेटा निपुण. मैंने क्लैपिंग कर दी है और तेरे को सुनाई भी आ गई होगी. Only निपुण. Oh yes, आंसर्स आ रहे हैं. निपुण, हर्षुल, गुरजोत, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Truth, Saksham. 6 entry from 20 side. Yes, good beta. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 entry only. Saksham. They give also answer. Gurjul also give the answer. Yes, good beta. श्रुत मुझे मालूम है तू 12D का है श्रुत. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 entries. Time limit is finished. 7 entry from 12D side. ठीक है. What we do here? देखो, this is u plus v. U plus v. We take dy by dx, then du by dx plus dv by dx. ठीक है. We give the equation number 1. इसको equation number 1 देंगे. Then x to the power 1 by x plus x to the power 10x. Okay. This is x to the power 1 by x plus x to the power 10x. We take u this side. देखो, u is x is to power 1 by x. We are applying log both sides. Log u 1 by x log x. ठीक है. Log u is 1 by u du by dx. We are applying product tool here. देखो, 1 upon x into log x minus 1 upon x square into log x. Okay. So this is the differentiation of u. देखो, 1 by x, how we get minus 1 by x square? The derivative of 1 by x we take this way, x to the power minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 by x square. The derivative of 1 by x. We take 1 by x to the power minus 1, then we start the derivative. Now what is v? V is x to the power 10x. We are applying log both sides. Log v equals to 10x log x. Okay, now this is 1 by v dv by dx. The derivative of 10x is x square x into log x plus 10x. Log x is 1 by x. Okay, then we add all the answer. Okay, so this time is good for girls. Okay, now we have done for girls. 12D 7 boys only. अब girls की entry 8 आनी चाहिए कम से कम. So one class from the one class, एक class तो फिर होनी चाहिए girls के अंदर है ना. So we start this question for girls. The term for girls, sin x to the power x plus x to the power x. Okay, this is a term for girls. Start. Okay, girls, please start your time limit. Time start 11:38, 11:41 पे time finish हो जाएगा. You start. Yes, मनन की एंट्री आई थी बट वो लेट है, टाइम लिमिट फिनिश हो गई थी. रेस्ट ऑफ द क्लास अभी 12th ए बी ऑल्सो डू. ठीक है, 12th ए बी ने भी करना है. 12th ए एंड बी ये क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए भी है, नॉट ओनली फॉर 12D क्लास. 12D रिप्लाई मी ओनली. ओके, दिस द लॉग. अब तक हम 3 टॉपिक रिवाइज कर चुके हैं. वन इज चेन रूल, सेकंड इज इम्प्लिसिट, थर्ड इज यूज ऑफ लॉग. Now the 12th EFG, for 12th EFG we have double derivative. Parametric form. Chain rule is the base of whole chapter. Implicit and implicit we differentiate by, then we write dy by dx. In log we apply when the power in the form of x or either uv, then we apply log. Yes, one girl give the answer, but they write directly answer. Okay, we have a shortcut. Nipun ne sorry the answer. Nipun give the answer, but Nipun is the time for girls. Only girls reply to me. 12D class girls 8 entry आनी चाहिए at least. इसका एक शॉर्टकट भी होता है जो मैंने आपको नहीं सिखाया है. वी हैव आल्सो शॉर्टकट फॉर इट. Yes, Aman give the answer of 12th E. It is done for 12D only. No girl. Yes, first entry from the girl side. 12 Palak. Palak give the right answer. Yes, good beta Palak. One entry only. Yes, second is also from Aditi. 2. मुझे 8 चाहिए minimum. The time limit till 42. Well, D girls, Dia. Yes, 3 entry. Only 3 entry, 12D class. Your ma'am is also here. Sapna ma'am. Sapna ma'am.
Yes, sir.
मैम 20 की गर्ल्स रिप्लाई नहीं कर रही है, ओनली 3 गर्ल्स.
Yes, very sad. Girls, buck up. 12D girls, you can't solve the question.
Yes, 4 entry ma'am, 1 girls. Anushka, yes, Anushka also reply. Riya, Anushka,
Palak,
Aditi,
Palak also.
हाँ, Palak, Aditi, Anushka और 1 girl दिया. 4 girls reply. बेटा आपको 8 entry करनी है एटलीस्ट. Yes, 1 girl more. 1 girl is Yashika Daya. Yes, good बेटा, बिल्कुल सही किया यशिका दया. Clap for Yashika Daya. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 entries. Okay, then time limit is only few seconds left. This is a question of log. When we have power in the form of x, then we take log. In log, we have 3 type of question. One is direct, second is into, and third is UV. Okay, fourth girls also reply Niharika. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 entries are required. Okay, now time limit is because 6 entry from the 20 side. Niharika, good beta. Yes, Niharika. To clap for girls, okay, only 6, but 6 entry. 1 from 1 behind only from boys. 7 from boys side and 6 from girls side. Okay, so every class, what's the column? Okay, now we start. The next topic is parametric form. One girl, yes, एक girl और answer दे दिया है. 1 minute. The name is not written. Arpita, girl, yes. So match will be tie. And 12D boys and girls tied. Okay. Now we start. The next topic is parametric form. So what we do in parametric form? This is a revision of all the chapter. So in vacation in Saturday and Sunday you complete NCERT. To do complete NCERT from starting 5.2 to 5.7. Because this is very very important in long term period. You complete NCERT. Complete the NCERT is also come 80 to 90% in board class. Okay, तो जब तक लॉकडाउन है तब तक एनसीईआरटी कर लो. आफ्टर दैट यू डू असाइनमेंट. Okay, the parametric form, it is very easy. In parametric form, we have x equal to 80 square and y equal to 280. What we do? First, we find dx by dt because the question is find dy by dx, and you are not having here y or x. Okay, you have only x. So t is the parameter from where they are related. X and y both are related because indirectly t x is related to t, indirectly t related with y. So dx by dt is a2at. And dy by dt is we differentiate t with respect to what would t considered as x. Then for dy by dx we divide both the number. For dy by dx we divide both the number, that is dx by dt. So this is 2a upon 2at. So 2a is cancelled with 2a. That is 1 by t. Okay. Again see x equals to a theta sin theta. For example, you have theta sin theta and y is equal to theta cos theta. Again the question is saying find dy by dx. So we find dx by theta, then dy by theta, then after that we divide. Okay, so dx by theta, but in the case of dx by theta, we apply product rule. So theta is 1, then sin theta plus theta as it is, sin theta ka derivative cos theta, then dy by theta, that is theta is 1 into cos theta minus theta sin theta. Then we divide both the number, that is dy by dx. Cos theta minus theta sin theta divided by sin theta plus theta cos theta. So this is a simple concept of parametric form. So we again start. The chain rule is very simple. In chain rule we use T and PT rule. In implicit we differentiate y, then we write dy by dx. In the case of log, we have power x, then we apply log. This is the third topic. The basic thing is very important. सब में एक चीज जो common है, all the topic have common thing is chain rule. Okay, if you have chain rule, if you know the chain rule, then the name of the topics are different only. Otherwise, all are chain rule. All are chain rule. But only the name are different. But the main thing is chain rule. Okay. So this is for girls. Now boys, 12 E F G. Only boys reply me. Okay. Only boys of 3 class. 12 E F G. They give. I give a question. Y equals to बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। दिस इज फॉर बॉयज, ओनली 2 मिनट्स, टाइम लिमिट इज ओनली 2 मिनट्स, not 3 minutes. 480 x 4 upon t. Okay, this is 4t, sorry. And he says find dy by dx. It is 4t and x 4 by t. The time start. Okay, till only 49 we have time limit. 49 पे टाइम लिमिट फिनिश हो जाएगी, ओनली 2 मिनट्स, बिकॉज बहुत छोटा क्वेश्चन है। फॉर 12 EFG, देखो टाइम लिमिट फिनिश होने वाली है, 50 पे क्लास हो जाएगी, तो गर्ल्स का चांस नहीं आएगा, ओनली 2 मिनट्स। EFG boys. Yes, one boy give the answer. Name Priyanshu Gupta. Yes, the correct answer, Priyanshu Gupta. Only one, but only one. Yes, second also. दो boys ने दिया अब तक। Okay, he's saying sir मैं 12th A का हूँ, तो reply क्यों किया? Only one student of 12th E reply. Only 12th E reply to me. Only 12th A. Please not 12th A, B, C. Hardik Jain. Yes. Good beta Hardik. 2 entries. Yes. Apur of 12th E. 3 entries from 12th E side. Boys only give three answers. अब गर्ल्स के जीतने के चांसेस हैं। ओके, दिस टाइम गर्ल्स कैन विन। सितारा अपनी टीम को तैयार करो। ओके, 12th E, only 12th E, they give 3 answers for 12th E side. Now this is a question for girls. Okay, this is x equals to, again small question because time नहीं है हमारे पास। अब x equal to 80 square and y is equals to 480 cube. Give the answer. x equal to 480 square and y equal to 480 cube. आशीष ऑफ 12th एक आंसर और आ गया था। यस, 4 एंट्री। ओके, दिस इज अ टर्न फॉर गर्ल्स, 12th EFG गर्ल्स। You can also get the answer in your group, class group, again if you are not having my number. Yes, the first entry, Ishanjali of 12th E. Yes, good beta. Start 1, required only till 50, you have time limit. Bus time limit, only 1 minute are left. Okay, please, Chavi, yes, 2 entry. 2 और required है, fast. Yes, 3, 4. Good, Sitara give the answer. 4. Rashi 12G. Yes, Rashi. 4 entry. Again tie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, clapping for girls. 6. Good, beta. Girls are the winner of 12GFG. Yes, good. मैच टाई हो गया और यहाँ तो 2 विनर हैं ही। ओके, तो ऑन मंडे मैं आपको आज 15 क्वेश्चन होमवर्क पे दूंगा। that all the 15 questions are important. They are not from NCERT. We discuss on Monday. You try at home on Friday and Sunday. Okay, you sorry Saturday and Sunday. I give 15 questions most probably today or in one tomorrow is 100%. Okay, that 15 question you do Saturday and Sunday, and on Monday then we meet. Okay, goodbye. Stay at home.